I'm going to show you how to fix missing sidebar in Finder in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So there are some of the steps you can follow in order to fix a missing sidebar. So just go ahead and open your Finder first. Just scroll down in your dock where you can find Finder. This is right here. Let's go ahead and tap there. So a sidebar is this bar right over here on the left side that says airdrop, recent applications, and many more. So if you cannot see this, then you have a problem. So in order to fix it, one of the things you can do is just look at the top where you can find view right next to edit. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you can see multiple options here. You just need to tap on show sidebar. So as you can see, I can't see that because I have a sidebar. So if your sidebar is hidden like this, you may need to go there, and now you can find the option that says show sidebar. Just go ahead and tap here and the problem should be immediately fixed. So if you notice that you have not been doing this manually and it's not fixing your problem, then you may need to restart Finder by pressing Command, Option, and Escape. Just do it. Command, Option, and Escape. So just go ahead and select Finder and tap on Relaunch. So after you tap on Relaunch, the problem should be fixed. Sometimes when you have an update that you may not have noticed in your settings, that can also cause some minor bugs. So you may need to check for updates, and updating Mac can also resolve sidebar issues if they are caused by system bugs. So these steps should restore your Finder sidebar. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.